to Moonstone Crafts and welcome back to another post review Sunday. Today I have for you guys this mystery project. At least I don't know. Maybe I've put it on the thumbnail so you already know what it is. So let's turn it around. It's the blue eye. I've got this a longer time ago when I just started my channel. I think one of my first unboxings on my channel was an Homfun unboxing. Homfun Official Store unboxing. I had like 5 different kits. And now I only had 2 left, which is one of this is this one, and I have one other left, which is a 40 by 50. I'm not sure when I'm gonna do that, but the rest of them are all completed. But this is one in my eye projects. Let's call it that. I have done 2 other eyes. The green eye and the rainbow eye, and I bought this one also. They're all 20 by 30 centimeters because I think eyes look good in that size anyway. So yeah, this is the one that I wasn't too sure about when I unboxed it. Maybe I'll link the video of this part because I had a part 1 and part 2. This was part 1. But I wasn't so sure if the smoke and everything that comes out of the eye, which is the original image, would come out clear. Now that I'm looking at it, I think, okay, it looks clear, but I don't know, when I was making it, I wasn't sure. But at least the eye is clear. And in the camera, it always looks clearer than in real life. I have to mention that. This is from Homfun. I will just tell you that I ordered it on June 16th, 2020, and I got it on July 14th, 2020, so you can see that in the unboxing. I started it December 29th of 2020 and I finished it January the 17th, 2021. I wasn't too happy about this one. As I was saying before, I didn't think the rendering was the best with the smoke. I think it looks better now that I look at it again, but when I was making it I wasn't sure. There were some trashy drills in this one, particularly the DMC 311. Those were some terrible drills. I will show you later on. I tried actually to multiplace with this one because I was like, it's kind of a lost cause already. I don't know if I like it enough to hang it somewhere, so why not try to use the multiplacer a bit on this project. And in the 939, which is actually this, I actually have a remark about that one as well, now I'm thinking about it. But in the 939 it went fine, but in the blue, which is more here, if you look in the close-up later on, you will maybe see what I'm saying. If you look close up, you can definitely see some gapping because multi-placing really didn't work with that one. But at least I tried for the first time with squares, and I was like, this can be my experimental piece for that. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing that in the future. I didn't think I like single placing with squares a lot more, but at least I tried. In general, I think it's good. It's good. The 939 was a bit weird. When I opened it, I was like, this looks just black. It looked like 310. It really did. And if you look closely, I'm gonna give you a close-up. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but some of them look blue and some of them look black. You can't see it on camera, but it looks a bit like a mixed thing, which is weird. I never saw that before with 939. I went with it. It was really dark blue. I know 939 is a very dark blue, but this one wasn't like my other 939 that I had before. So that was something that I noticed right away. It didn't bother me too much, but it's just some remark that I think I should say to you guys. Yeah. I think for now that's gonna be it, and I'm gonna give you the close-up before we go to the drills. Okay, I forgot to say, I spent a total around 12 hours and 41 minutes on this piece. So 12 hours and 40 minutes, I guess. Which is quite long, but it's square, so I wasn't surprised by that. And I don't know if the multi-placing was actually quicker when I tried that out. Because I had to straighten some of them and put them in properly. So, I don't know. Drills. Let's get to them. This is the system I used again for this one. It's actually from a Dutch store. I don't know if you can get this on AliExpress, but every time, not every time, but a lot of times if I show this system, I get questions in the comments. Where did I get this? It's from a Dutch store called Boekenvoordeel. I know that sounds really Dutch. It's like a bookstore, but they also have CDs and DVDs and hobby stuff. So it's like a all-around store. They also sell diamond dots there, but they also sold this system. I've got a total of 3 of these kind of systems. They carry 28 little containers, and 2 of them are bigger for your bigger colors. So that's what I used for this one, because this one only has, oh, I have to look up how many colors did it have. I also didn't tell you guys that. 22 colors, so they did fit in easily. Because there's washi tape around, I can't show you really well how many drills there's left of all these colors, but I'm not gonna get the washi tape off anyway. But all of them had colors left. You can look a bit through. There we go. All of them had colors left, and we'll get to the one color that was really trashy. I will show you guys that. This one you can see how much there's left. This was the weird 939. But there's never much left with Homfun. At least not what I'm used to. Don't really matter which Homfun it is, but most of the time there's not much left. And the last couple colors, there we go. And on top, this is the trash that I got out during the painting. It's getting a bit dark, you guys. I hope you can still see. Otherwise I have to turn on my light. Don't want to block out the light. There we go. This is all the trash. Get it out soon so you can see it a bit better. But that's the trash I got out during the painting. I definitely have to go through these drills to get all the other trash out. Especially from 311, was I saying before. Because you're gonna see, but I didn't want to get it out yet because I wanted to show you guys this color. Oh, they almost flew away. Look at it. There's still some good left, but I was actually looking at my own stash some time. I was looking at my own stash, because you can't use the ones with the little tabs. Some of them have holes, some of them are concaved. You have this little trash in there. They're stuck together. It was not pleasant, but at some time I was even looking at my own stash to see if I had this left from any other painting, because I was like, I can't handle this. I just want good drills. So yeah, but I didn't have it. I had it on another project that I haven't done yet, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna get it out of there because I don't know, maybe I need everything. So let's get the trash out, because then we're gonna get it into a trash bucket so we can complete this painting properly. There we go. As you can see, just real trash, like plastic pieces that aren't like the good shape. Some concaved ones. Some of them had holes. Some of them actually weren't in the correct color, so I just put them in trash. Let me get some more light in, and a lot of tabs on the side. Yeah, these were a round one, as you can see. These were the ones that were just too bad to even leave in anyway, because they were just so bad. So my little trusty trash bucket. There we go. Get some more blue in there because there's so much pink. I have a bit of blue. It's not gonna change anything, but it's fine. So yeah, that's this little eye. Wasn't my favorite to do. It was good for practicing multi-placing. I don't know if that really helped me because I don't think I'm gonna do that in the future with squares. But anyway, I tried. It looks good from a distance, but I'm not gonna hang it anywhere right now. Not like the other two. I just hanged out those immediately when I was done with them. I was like, they're so pretty. I want them hanging. This one, not so much. So it's just gonna be in my storage. But I think the eye itself looks gorgeous. I love the effect of the white in there. Yeah, that's definitely the best. I just not sure about the surrounding parts of it. But that's okay. You can't have a hit every time, especially with those companies from AliExpress. I'm fine with it. I'm just gonna just put it away in my portfolio, and maybe someday, you know, I will hang it somewhere. We'll see. It was just a nice little snack square in between my big projects from Down Art Club and my custom, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. And another double-sided adhesive canvas done as well. I just want to get rid of all my double-sided first. I'm not sure if that's gonna work because I don't think I want to go into another double-sided after I finished my custom. And of course I have my new Everyone with Custom, and that one I'm not sure, might be a bit more towards the end of the year that I start that one. But the other one from Homfun that I still have, I don't want to wait too long to do that one. I want to be done with the Homfun ones. And that sounds horrible because I liked Homfun a lot, but I don't know. I went back to this one after doing a few from other companies. I don't know, after working a lot on my Ever moment, and I wasn't really pleased with this one anymore. But you never know, maybe the other one that I have left, the 40 by 50, is better. But we'll see. Enough of me rambling. Please let me know what you think. Do you think it looks good for this size? Do you agree with me that this smoke board, at least at the top, I think a lot of it isn't the best? I do think the eye looks good. So don't get me wrong on that. But let me know what you think. And if you would buy this painting in this size, maybe. I don't know. Or if you've seen the unboxing. Let me know anything that comes to mind. I like talking with you guys in the comments. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you the next time. Bye!